We are here today at 251 North Avenue in Garwood, New Jersey, where a former Burger King that had been in existence for nearly 20 years will soon be converted to a state-of-the-art Wendy's with a drive-thru. Really excited about this deal for our clients. The building's being stripped down and internally rebuilt and will include an outdoor patio space as well. Innovative design in the QSR restaurant concept. As you can see, trenching and demo are going on now from the inside out. This is the second former Burger King conversion we have done on behalf of a Wendy's franchisee in New Jersey, a trend that we believe will continue not just with potentially Burger Kings, but other antiquated uses, food uses, as well as freestanding buildings. As we circle around the exterior of the property, the lot is just over an acre and affords the site with plenty of parking and enough room for stacking and queuing in the drive-through concept, which is very important. Keep an eye on this. We'll continue to update you as construction continues on.